trying to go.
Best thing ever made. Look, look. Boom.
No, just answer.
Boom.
I don't want nothing to do with this fucking tower right now, okay?
Crazy. Oh, good morning, everybody. I've got you on the Hero 4. It's rare that you'll see a ladder in the back of my truck strapped down, but I am part of the drone recovery shenanigans group on Facebook. Me and a couple other friends have the tools and means to be able to retrieve people's quads when they get them stuck or lost. So my retrieval quad is the Hero, or the 3DR Solo with GoPro mount. I do run a gimbal and GoPro Hero 4 on it. We do have a drone recovery claw that I'll be showing you guys. So I'm also going down there to fly a little FPV. The quad that we're trying to retrieve today is an FPV drone.
Hey, it's okay though. It's the third fucking drone.
Exactly. It's good now. I took back over. I didn't even struggle barely, bro. That's funny.
Good afternoon. Please give your attention to my associate, Agent J. He's going to demonstrate an electro-biomechanical neural transmitting zero synapse repositioner. We call it the neuralizer. Keep it simple, Slick.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Agent K. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.